Hey folks, this is my UVC device working from aquaponics days, and we decided to use it to cut down on smell of our cooking, and it also helped us greatly in fighting flus. I put this down here because I didn't want Google to get antsy and stop the video from publishing, but is a Germicidal lamp, ultraviolet C, that kills the germs, odors, and anything else that is supposedly bad for you. It produces O3, and once it contacts with the bad germ or whatever is floating around you, it just disintegrates it. We've been using it for the past 1.5 years, and it kept the flu away from us. And I'm a firm believer that it helped us. My wife and I had the early symptoms of the flu, and we fired this thing up, and in a day or two everything was gone. Yes or no, baby?
Yes.
How did it help you?
I'm not really sure, but within 2 or 3 days, I didn't have the flu.
And it cleans up the bad smell and the air and whatever?
Yes, it does.
Cool. You leave it running for 5, 6, 7 hours a day, and the air conditioning circulates the O3 in the house. This is enough for 3,000 square feet, and so far it's been working great. I just had to replace the fan due to the bad bearings that it had and was making growling sounds. But I can swear by it. He's done the job and kept all the bad germs out of our house. Thanks for watching. Bye.